In March 1888, a massive blizzard struck the northeastern United States, burying cities like New York and Boston under up to 50 inches of snow. Winds reached 85 miles per hour, creating drifts as high as 50 feet, trapping people in their homes and halting transportation for days. More than 400 people lost their lives, and the storm exposed the need for better infrastructure, leading to underground utilities and transit systems. The Great Blizzard of 1888 remains one of America's most devastating winter storms. Subscribe for more unforgettable moments in history.